In southern England, a clever AI tool is making it easier to protect barn owls. Created by a PhD student, the AI model counts baby barn owls by listening to their hissing sounds. This eliminates the need for invasive methods like physically tagging chicks or installing nest cameras.
Barn owls are quite difficult to monitor because you don't often see them. So the only way you can really do it is via nest boxes. So you look at their breeding success mainly.
Brian Cresswell is a barn owl conservationist. He says it's crucial not to disrupt the birds or their nests.
Because the barn owls are protected by law, and not just the barn owls but barn owl nests, it's important not to disturb them ever, apart from unless you have a license to do so. I use this little device most of the time. This is called an audio moth, and it's a little sound recorder which we can set up to record just during the night or part of the night, and you can leave it for a week or so, and it will collect the data for you. So you don't have to do it every single night, and that collects sound files which then I hand over to Cavi to analyze.
The approach reduces stress on the animals and allows data collection from natural nests, which are often hard to reach, unlike easier to access nest boxes. Kavisha Jayatunge is the creator of the program from Bournemouth University. He makes use of the AI model to process audio files and analyze subtle differences undetectable to humans.
What I've done is I've taken the audio file, so the barn owl screech, and then done some data pre-processing on it to sort of pull out all the frequencies in that data and turn it into a sort of barcode, which is obviously, each one of those is going to be slightly different from the others, and those are the differences that the model is able to pick up on.
The technology is in its early stages, but has already identified 3 owlets from recordings in Cresswell's garden. This data is vital for tracking barn owl breeding, which varies significantly across years and sites. The AI model also provides insights into the behavior of young owls, as their hissing can show feeding habits and hunger. That's key to understanding their breeding success, and Cresswell says the model can do even more.
The big picture here is being able to identify individuals of different species, not just barn owls, especially singing birds, because one of the problems with bird surveying, if you're trying to monitor a population of wild birds, one of the difficulties is if you're going out in the field and you're recording birds, or you're looking for birds or listening for birds, in fact, especially listening, because most bird surveys are done by the sound of a bird singing, you can't tell if you've heard a bird before. Well, with vocal individuality and this sort of analysis, it's possible to do that very thing. That's a bigger picture for this research.